Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you a really easy and fast project. This is a tri-fold card with pockets, tri-fold pocket card, and we're going to start with a 12 by 12 cardstock. This is really easy to make. We're going to score this 12 by 12 cardstock with our bone folder. If you don't have a trimmer, then you can measure with a ruler. So we're going to score it at 4 and then at 8 inches. These are going to be our vertical folds. And then once we are done with those score lines, we're going to turn the cardstock 90 degrees and create our 3 pockets by scoring the cardstock at 4 inches. So first score at 4 and 8 vertically, and then turn the cardstock 90 degrees and score at 4. And by folding that, we're going to have pockets. So this is all the scoring that we need to do. We're going to fold on all the score lines. And then I'm going to tell you a secret, how to make sure that when we fold this tri-fold card, everything is going to be nice, tucked in and nice. And because when you fold it like this and try to fold it on top of each other, you can't. That is because the paper occupies the place. So what we're going to do is remove 1/8 of an inch from the right side. You know what? I'm going to do that with a trimmer. I want it to be straight. So remove 1/8 of an inch from the right side, and that will make sure that when you fold it, the right side will have enough room to be tucked in under the left side. So when you fold it like this, you won't have any problem closing the card. So this is the secret. Next, we're going to cover this entire card with some cover papers. So the cover papers measure, the rectangles measure 3 3/4 by 7 3/4, and the square cover papers measure 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. You can play with the patterns and the colors of the papers that you add, that you attach. Just play with whatever colors and patterns you want. Of course, they can all be the same if you want. That's a possibility too. Depends on you, what you want to do. So I'm using Graphic 45 papers. You can use whatever papers you have in your stash. By the way, if you want, on the front where we are going to attach the square papers, you can attach photos, and then you can make it a little mini album or a little brag book. So that depends on what you want to use this for. Okay, so the longer papers are attached. Now I'm going to attach the squares in the front, and you can see that I am not gluing any part of that folded cardstock on the front to secure the pockets. You can just leave it open and insert whatever you want on the inside of the pockets. You can insert little cards. You can insert money, you can insert photos, you can insert gift cards, they fit in there. So basically this project can be used for a lot of things: a brag book, a mini album, a gift card holder, a card, and all of the above. Okay, so now all we need to do is cover this and this, so the front and the inside. And then we're also going to add a ribbon to make sure that it is properly closing and holding. So you just need a small piece of ribbon, and we're going to attach that after we attach the papers. The only thing that you can't do is add too many embellishments on the inside, because that will interfere with this trifold pocket card from closing. It doesn't have a lot of room to add more stuff in it. So if you're going to add photos or little cards or gift cards or money or whatever, you won't have a lot of room to add many more embellishments. So just remember that. Okay. So next, we're going to attach our ribbon. And we're going to close this and tie the ribbon around our trifold pocket card. So just tie it in a regular bow, because you need to be able to open it later, of course. And I'm just sorting out the size of the bow. And okay, so now it's good. So move the bow a little bit to the right, and then bring a sticker or just a cutout square or cutout image from the same paper collection that you used, and attach it to the front of the card on the ribbon itself. That will secure the ribbon in its place. So I'm going to add this little strip on top of the rectangle that is securing my ribbon. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything, and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. So this is the project that we made today. It's really fun and really easy, and like I said, it can be used for a lot of things. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.